What would it look like to use fitness as a tool to empower women of different cultures all around the world? My name is Amina. I'm a Canfitpro certified fitness instructor and PhD student of health psychology. Today, I help thousands of women in Canada and around the world discover a healthy, active lifestyle through our popular group coaching, home workout bootcamp, and nutrition education. Fitness is for everyone, but many women feel neglected by the mainstream fitness industry. There's a huge need to cater to women of diverse cultural backgrounds by developing culturally sensitive fitness education and providing relatable fitness role models. So at Amanah Fitness, we're breaking down these barriers. We provide an amazing series of group fitness coaching. Our focus is to take exercise out of the gym and bring it to homes and community centers and parks to empower all women. We've created an incredible online home workout bootcamp program that is now used by Muslim women all across the globe. It's amazing to see what started as me sharing my passion for health after my own 60-pound weight loss journey become one of the largest Muslim fitness educational platforms with over 50,000 followers, helping diverse women from 16 to 65 years old. I'm so proud to be representing the Canfitpro vision of inclusivity within the fitness industry. 1.8 billion people around the world fast during the month of Ramadan, but there's currently a lack of reliable nutrition and fasting fitness recommendations. So we work with dietitians, doctors, and medical professionals in Canada to provide the most comprehensive research-based resources for fasting, nutrition, and fitness. We also teach how to create healthy makeovers of popular ethnic dishes to provide holistic fitness and nutrition education. At Amanah Fitness, we're breaking stereotypes and empowering women every day with our innovative and accessible fitness programs and supportive female community.
Amanah!